friends, hi, this is Kiran, software engineer and a professional cricketer. So today I'm going to share with you about my updates. This is week 25 after the ACL surgery. So today I'm going to share with you about my walking pattern and few exercises that I have added in my exercise. So I have completed just the 6 months, so it's now 7th month is started for me. So I decided to go for the level 3 exercise, some high intensity exercise. So let's see how I'm doing the straight leg rise and side leg rise with the TheraBand. So let's start. Let me show you that exercise. Okay friends, so let's start with the exercise. Okay, just keep something heavy so that you can keep your toe on that. Okay, आपका toe जो है यहाँ पे रखना है. Okay, take something and you have to keep toe like only you have to touch your toe. Okay, not like this or not like this. You have to keep only this toe. You have to touch only your toe. Okay, just lie down on your back. Touch your toe only. Okay guys, make sure you touch only your toe and push your knee. Push your knee to the bottom side. Okay, push your knee to the bottom side. Push as much as possible. Push. Do your quadriceps contractions. Hold your knee. Hold your kneecap. And now pull your ankle to this side. Okay, from your towards your knee, towards your body. Hold your ankle this side. Okay, pull your ankle this side and hold it. And now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, so effective exercise, guys. This exercise is so effective, but you have to do very carefully and you have to understand the form. You have to touch your toe. You have to touch your toe. You have to pull your ankles. You have to keep hold your knee, and then you have to understand that intensity. You have to understand that form of this exercise. Then it will be very strong. Okay, it will make your knee very strong. It will make your joint very strong. Okay, it will make your knee very strong. So understand the form and do this exercise. So this is the first exercise. Okay friends, so the next exercise is with the TheraBand. Okay, so मैंने जो TheraBand है उसको पैर में पैक कर दिया है. Okay, like this. Keep the distance of your shoulder. Okay, just I'm lying down. Okay, keep your knee straight. Keep your knee straight. Try to push the knee. Try to push your knee to the bottom side. Okay, push. Now. Okay, now push. Now do your straight leg rise. Okay. Now keep your knee tight. Okay, make sure your knee should be tight. It should not be like this. It should not then bend. Okay, your knee. Keep your knee straight as much as possible. जितना पुल कर सकते हो उतना पुल करो. नी को बॉटम साइड की तरफ और कीप योर लेग स्ट्रेट. मैक्सिमम जितना पुश कर सकते हो उतना पुश करो. कीप योर नी स्ट्रेट. ओके, स्ट्रेट. देन पुल योर एंकल टुवर्ड्स यू. होल्ड योर नी. पुल your ankle towards your body, towards your knee. Okay, now do the leg rise. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, so awesome exercise, so effective exercise guys. बहुत ही effective exercise है, लेकिन you have to do it with the correct form. You have to understand the form. जितना आप करेक्टली करोगे उतना आपको ज्यादा बेनिफिट्स मिलेंगे. So do this exercise with your conscious efforts and definitely you will get the results. Now I am in level 3 for my ACL recovery. So I am doing the 10 set of this exercise. But to shorten this video, I am just giving you the 1 set. But I am doing the 10 set of this exercise, and this is helpful for me, and this helped me for reduce my knee gap. Okay guys, so do this exercise very carefully and with your conscious efforts, with the correct form, and you will get the best results. Hey, hello friends, hi. Let's have some straight drives. Come on, ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Lovely. Come on. Lovely. 2, 4. Lovely, awesome. 4 in a row. 4 straight drives in a row. Lovely, Kiran. Come on, you can do it. 5. 5 in a row. 5 straight drives in a row. Last one. Let's see what happened. Perfect. Yes. Okay, guys. So 6 straight drives in a row. Woohoo. Lovely. Hope you enjoy that. Enjoy this 6 straight drives in a row. Okay friends, so I'm just done with my exercise. Okay, now I'll show you my updates. Okay, so this is my operated knee, left knee. You can see that it's perfectly covered now. Okay, little bit swelling or stiffness you can say, but I think it's 90% covered. Okay, it's a 6 months and first week is going on. First week of 7 months is going on. So you can see that I got a lot of strength in my knee joint and in my thighs because of doing the TheraBand exercise. Okay, so TheraBand exercise is more effective, guys. I got a lot of strength. I can do a small jogging. I can do small jumping. Okay, and perfect. Okay, friends. So I'll show you my walking pattern now. Okay, here you go. Come on, lovely. Okay, I hope you find that very smooth and very smooth transitions while doing the walking. You can find I can walk very smoothly. Wow, so nice. Okay, friends. So this is what the update for you guys. Okay, so I'm running in the 7th month, so I'm doing all my exercise with a high intensity and I'm enjoying my exercise because I got a lot of strength in my thigh muscles. I got a lot of strength in my knee joint, and all credit goes to my TheraBand. Okay. All credit goes to my TheraBand. This is really effective, guys. I'm planning to buy blue or red or gold color TheraBand because that will be the more effective. Okay, guys, so if you still don't have this TheraBand, go get it for you. You can buy this online. I will share the link in the description box, or you can get it from the nearest stores. But make sure to start your exercise with TheraBand. It gives me a lot of strength. Okay, and I hope this result should come for you as well. Okay, guys, this is what the update for you guys. Do your exercise daily, consistently, do your icing, and definitely you will also get the results, guys. Okay, so just to make sure that don't do the exercise with the TheraBand for first 4 weeks or 6 weeks until and unless you are not getting the strength in your operated knee. Once you got the strength in your operated knee after the 4 weeks or 6 weeks, you can start with the TheraBand. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, guys, so this is what for the today. Thank you so much. Take care and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.